to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is, when building content for an email, what would a marketer consider in the call to action? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, a call to action can be text or an image based button. Option B, a call to action should be direct and action oriented. Option C, a call to action below the fold performs best. And option D, text buttons receive more clicks than graphics. The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters (NTO) finds 57% of its subscribers read emails on smartphones. Because of this, NTO wants to enhance its email viewing experience by thinking mobile first. NTO has the resources to write the HTML and CSS code needed to create responsively designed emails. Which option would add the code that was created outside of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud to the email? Options are: option A, web based; option B, text only; option C, template based; and option D, HTML paste. The correct option is option D. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters has a master customer shared data extension. The company wants to make the table available to some of the business units but not all of them. How can access to the master customer table be restricted? Options are: option A, shared data extension permissions; option B, date or time range for access; option C, data extension sharing rules; and option D, manage data extension policies. The correct option is option C. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters wants to display different content areas based on the subscriber data. What can be used to accomplish this? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, profile mapping; option B, AMP script; option C, dynamic content; and option D, personalization strings. The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, a company has set out to increase their subscriber base. They hired a team of marketing consultants to develop an acquisition plan backed by data. What are two effective methods to acquire new subscribers? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, require customers to provide their email address when calling customer service; option B, create an in-store SMS campaign that offers a discount for opting in; option C, have customers opt in to email before they can shop online; and option D, ask for an email address when a customer makes a purchase in store? The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, a marketing team needs to narrow down a customer population of several million subscribers based on e-commerce order details and rapidly explore the data to find appropriate segments. How can segmentation with this scenario be accomplished? Options are option A, data extract activity, option B, audience builder, option C, drag and drop segmentation, and option D, profile attributes. The correct option is option C. Next question is, approximately 50% of Northern Trail Outfitters NTO subscribers open emails on their mobile devices, while the remaining 50% of subscribers open their emails on their desktop. The Chief Marketing Officer of NTO would like the emails to render well on both desktop and mobile devices, but does not want to spend a significant amount of time developing for each environment. What is the recommended design approach? Options are option A, mobile aware design, option B, desktop centric design, option C, responsive design, and option D, static design. The correct option is option A. Next question is, a marketing associate at Northern Trail Outfitters must create an email campaign for the company's new winter offerings. Which method could the associate use to create the email message? Choose two options, and the options are option A, email send wizard, option B, user initiated email message, option C, email templates, and option D, HTML paste. The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, a marketer for Northern Trail Outfitters NTO needs to dynamically update the sender name and email address based on the sales representative associated with the account. The data is stored in two separate data extensions. Which two tools should the marketer use? Choose two options, and the options are option A, personalization strings, option B, delivery profiles, option C, AMP script lookup, and option D, sender profiles. The correct option is option B and C. Next question is, an account has a subscriber key enabled and will be providing a unique key for each subscriber from an external system. A marketer wants to create a data extension for sending email campaigns. What steps would the marketer take when creating the data extensions? Choose two options, and the options are option A, check the is sendable option. Option B, set the column representing the subscriber key as a primary key. Option C, set the email address column as a primary key. And option D, relate the email address to the subscriber key. The correct option is option A and D. Next question is, which is fundamental component of coding responsive emails? Options are option A, CSS3 @ media queries, option B, span tags, Option C, SQL queries. And option D, anchor tags. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what happens when subscribers click the default one-click unsubscribe in an email sent to a public list? Choose three options. And the options are: option A, they will be unsubscribed from all available lists. Option B, they can resubscribe from the subscription center. Option C, they can choose to be unsubscribed from all lists in the subscription center. Option D, they will be unsubscribed from the list used for the send. And option E, they will be removed from the data extension. The correct option is option B, C and D. Next question is, what must be configured in a marketing cloud account to use the import wizard? Options are: option A, enhanced FTP. Option B, file transfer. Option C, data loader. And option D, encrypted FTP. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what information and data about the performance of an individual send can be exported from the tracking details? Options are: option A, subscribers who click on a specific link. Option B, images showing how the email rendered on different devices. Option C, number of clicks from mobile devices. And option D, performance data on the overview tab. The correct option is option A and C. Thank you.